great day. I'm gonna take some cool pics from my page. First up, a hippo waddling onto dry land.
What, man?
You enjoyed that dust bath, huh? Second shot. Whoa, quite a pushback. Awesome. Hey, man, looks like today's not your day.
Cool down. Anybody want cool down their radiator? Feeling grease. Buy two, get one for free. This season's sensation.
Back off! Back off!
Come and get your polish.
That guy's burnt to a crisp. Should have bought himself some polish, huh? I wonder if there's anything else to shoot. Nice. This dude's about to high dive. Come on, don't chicken out. Everybody's had a go. Oh no, it's those punks, Jag and Benz. Here comes trouble. It's best not to mess with them. Oh, fairy. She's so beautiful.
Hi, Romeo. Come over here.
Hey there, girls.
Romeo, take a picture of us.
Sure, anything for you guys. Ready? Say cheese.
Cheese!
Jack and Bands. Hey, get out of here, you two.
Said fairy to smarty pants.
You know what? You're cramping our style. Get out of here, please.
And what if we don't?
And what if we don't?
What's going on here? Any problems, young ladies?
Not at all, Sheriff. We were just playing.
Okay, listen up. I want you two to go play somewhere else.
Sure. Whatever you say, Sheriff.
Look, this one's cool, right?
Oh, wow. Nice shots. Can you email them to me? Me too.
Sure, no problem at all.
No problem, you say? We'll make some for you.
Well, here we are now. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye, girls.
Hey, Romeo. I heard you insulted my friends today.
Me? Insulted? I didn't, look, a meteorite.
Wait up, it's weak.
We got away, that rascal. Catch her!
You now, kid.
It's not me. You're seeing things.
It's you that's seeing things, and now I'll show you something you won't like at all.
I'm sorry. No.
Hey, Ginger. Where are you going?
Leave me alone!
Hey, Romeo. I didn't know you were born a racer. Why so fast? Romeo.
I'm going home. Ow.
Hey, weirdo. That means you're going the wrong way.
Let's talk. It's not very nice to run away when somebody's talking to you.
Leave me alone! What did I do to you?
No, Romeo. We're not gonna leave you alone. We need to teach you a lesson.
Ah!
Don't you worry. We'll just snap a few of your gears and let you go.
The sooner we get to it, the sooner it'll be over.
Can't you skip the whole kicking me in thing?
Ha! Don't hold your breath. You deserve a kicking.
Then, I think I gotta run. Ah!
Hey, Stradivarius. What's that for? You're just like a Terminator clone.
Hello, Starkey. This is a teleporter. It moves objects around in space.
But how?
Let me show you. The teleporter takes an object at one point, splits it into atoms, and puts it back together at another.
Wow, awesome. Doc, let's teleport your tower to the city square. You're gonna live in a fancy district.
Why would I want to do that? There is an excellent dump nearby where I can find any part I need for my inventions. And I don't have to pay taxes here. Besides, it doesn't have enough power for the whole tower. Right now, this model only teleports small objects.
Ah! Help! Save me, please! Help me!
Doc, somebody's calling for help.
I can't stop the experiment now.
Okay, I'll go check myself.
Help me! Help me!
Boy, you're screwed now. So, what are we gonna do with this little punk?
I think that we should slash his tire.
And let's throw sand all up in his exhaust pipe, huh?
Ah! God! Huh?
Hey, leave that guy alone.
And who the heck are you?
I'll be the one teaching you some manners if you don't get out of here.
All right, man. You brought this on yourself.
Oh, girls, are you flirting with me? I am not worthy of that much attention.
Oh, you're funny. When we're done with you, you'll just be a pile of screws.
Yeah, right. You gotta catch me first.
Get it! There, stop!
Lesson 1. Don't put your foot down if you're not sure what you're doing.
Gonna get him! Watch out!
Haha. Lesson number 2. Slow and steady wins the race.
Oh, I don't feel so good.
Here we are. Are you done with your lessons?
Oh, looks like Starkey's in trouble. I need to help him out. I'll have to take a risk. Yes. Here we go. All right.
You're done now, you little squirt. What's going on? Oh no.
Danger, danger. Critical level overload.
I told you, not enough power yet. Where have I teleported him, I wonder?
Oh no! Somebody help me! Please!
There he is. Oops. Good thing it's just a hook and not some parallel dimension.
Help! Help! Oh no! I won't do it again! Get me off of here!
How can I get him down?
Help me! Ah!
Oh, I don't have to deal with him anymore.
Dude, you're awesome. You completely smashed them. Of course, I could have handled it without your help, but thanks anyway. I'm Romeo. What's your name?
I'm Starkey.
Well, Starkey, now we're friends for life.
Well, girls, did you enjoy the ride? Here's the last lesson. Never bully your younger friends.
Now you know who you're messing with. And now, say cheese. Starkey, wait! I'm coming with you!
How much longer should we wait for him? He's being out of order.
He said he has a surprise for us.
Hello, girls. Say hello to Starkey. He saved me from Porky's gang yesterday.
Hey, ladies.
You beat Porky?
Yes, he took them on like they were toy cars. Bam, then bam, and boom.
Starkey, you're a real hero.
Do you want to be friends with us?
I guess, yes.
Let's go to the amusement park then.
Let's go.
Well, I brought that on myself. Hey, wait for me.